Hello, in this video I am going to repair this television. The customer just brought in the TV. This is LED TV, LG brand, 43 inch. Now you can see the screen of this television is white. No picture, only sounds. In this case, maybe the screen of this television is short-circuited. We can use the tape like this to isolate the voltage lines to the screen. I'm not sure whether we can fix it or not, but I will try it. Now, let's start. Now we can see there are two cables. This cable will conduct the voltage lines and signal lines for one half of the screen. This cable will conduct the voltage lines and signal lines for one half of the screen. Now you can see there are two cables. This cable will conduct the voltage lines and signal lines for one half of the screen. This cable will conduct the voltage lines and signal lines for one half of the screen. I will open this cable to test it. Now you can see one half of the screen is dark and one half of the screen is white. I will conduct this cable and open this cable to test it. Now you can see one half of the screen is white. One half of the screen is nice image. We can confirm that. One half of the screen, this side, has the problem. One half of the screen is short-circuited. We can use the tape to isolate the voltage lines to the screen. We can use this method for a temporary fix. We use the tape like this to isolate the voltage lines to the screen. We use this method for a temporary fix.
Bài phát minh quan trọng được phát hiện tình cờ. Có lúc những bất ngờ chỉ là nguồn cảm hứng của các phát minh đột phá. Nhà phát minh điện thoại Alexander Graham Bell từng nói rằng khi một cánh cửa đóng lại, một cánh cửa khác sẽ mở ra. Những phát minh từ thế kỷ 18 làm thế.
Now, the screen of this television is nice image. I wish you a successful repair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. Bye bye.